Put it in the basket, bud. Put it in the basket. Go, Hayden. Dunk it. Go for the dunk. Hey, quit being a bully. Let him dunk it. Come on, Hayden. Let's see it. Go for the dunk. Stick out your tongue. Watch out. Dunk it. Oh. Evan. It's inside the slide. In the slide. Over there. There you go. Watch your head. All right, let him dunk. Hey, go dunk like Jordan. From the free throw line. He's trying to help you guys. You guys are... All right, let me see Hayden dunk. Let's see it. Let's see it. I got you. Go. Don't throw it, Evan. Dunk it. He missed. Come on, you gotta make it. Yeah, all right.